I'm Jessie, and this is a great project to do as holiday gifts. It's only 2 ingredients, vodka and vanilla beans. And today we're making vanilla bean extract. I hopped on Amazon. I bought these little 4-ounce bottles. For every 4 ounces, you want to add 2 vanilla beans. So this is really easy. I have 50 vanilla beans that I bought on Amazon and 24 of these. So if I had 25, we'd have a perfect match. Very close though. I have a little funnel, a giant bottle of very cheap vodka that I bought at the liquor store for like $10. I got the cheapest kind. You don't need the good stuff for this. Don't go wasting your money on the fancy things. Get the big cheap thing. So I'm gonna take my funnel, start loading these 4-ounce bottles up. I have filled these 12 bottles up. It's time to cut into these. I can smell them from here.
Mom, Dad smells it too.
They smell amazing. All right, we're gonna cut the bag open.
They eating?
Yeah, this is called vanilla. It smells good, but it tastes yucky when it's like this. So each thing needs 2 full vanilla beans. So what I'm gonna do is just cut these, cut them in half.
Bottle?
Mm-hmm. Woo, and they are sticky. They're sticky.
Yeah, I'm gonna be
washing hands.
I can smell it from here.
Smells yummy, doesn't it?
After I cut them in half, I then cut them lengthwise like this to expose the yummy vanilla beans. Look at that inside, so juicy.
4. 1, 2, 3. 4. All right, I'm gonna put these back in this box and then store this in my pantry for 8+ weeks. And then every couple of days, I just wanna pull this out of the pantry. I could probably shake them like this, but I just wanna give them a good shake, right? You just wanna give them a nice shake and shake everything around. Before you know it, this liquid will be turning a nice brown color and will be excellent vanilla extract for your holiday cooking.
Those are a lot.
Okay, now that I have them bottled up and everything and ready to go, I added a little bit of red and white twine for the holidays. That is an extra step, totally up to you. I actually am gonna use my Cricut machine later to make a cute little logo for it. But yeah, that's how easy it is to make vanilla extract. So for the next 8 weeks, I'm gonna let this marinate in the pantry, and then I will distribute to family, friends, teachers, everybody who might like some vanilla extract. It is that easy to make vanilla extract. If you liked what you saw, please hit that subscribe button and follow me here at The Good Wrench. Have a great day and happy holidays.